Hey everybody, welcome back to another Classic Serve Better. I'm Travis, and today we are out for an awesome little adventure, my friends. So I am teaming up with BeProBeProud to help rep the program to get some kids learning trade jobs. So once you learn one of these trades, you have those skills. No one can take that away from you. So I really support that type thing. Again, I'm not against four-year colleges, but this is a great opportunity for a lot of young men and ladies to get out there, learn something cool where they can get going making lots of money right away or start their own business in a couple years. So I am all about that, y'all. So let's get exploring, y'all. Check out all the cool stuff they have to offer. Get after. All right, y'all. So let's check outside this trailer. All kinds of cool stuff. You can even try being on a utility pole. They got a full-on train simulator in here. So you can literally learn how to drive a train, y'all. This is awesome. Big rig simulator, y'all. This thing's cool. All right, I'm gonna have to try one out. Slide this up the drive with your thumb. Oh, okay. There you go. We good? Oh, this one hand, this big rig. Ooh. Hey, all right, all right. Oh, now it's raining. Not quite a Silverado, but I'm doing okay. Oh, it's getting crazy. Ooh. Thank you, sir. No problem. That was fun. Get after it, guys. That was pretty cool. There's some neat stuff in this trailer, my friends. So I really enjoyed the trailer, y'all. Those simulators are really cool. Who knew you could learn so much just playing video games? I like it. Also, I did want to hit you up with a list of all the cool trades that they offer going through the BeProBeProud program. Check this out. Automation and robotics, CAD design, CNC operator, commercial truck driver, computer programmer, construction services, diesel tech, an electrician, fiber optics technician, healthcare technician, heavy equipment operator. They got linemen, machinists, plumbers, tool and die makers, welders. I mean, if you want to work with your hands, this is the place for you. Like, they have all kinds of awesome stuff for you to learn. Also wanted to kind of showcase some of their new building out here, y'all. So it is the Capel Center, Dallas College of Construction Sciences. Let's check this place out. All right, so inside of this new beautiful building here, kind of get a grasp of everything, but it is just full of awesome training rooms, y'all. Okay, so one really cool design on this building that they did on purpose, y'all, is they left all the ducts and wiring and everything exposed. So you can see the ducting, the sewer pipes, all the Cat 5, all that kind of stuff. Since this is just like an educational school on mechanical stuff, have it open and exposed so you can see it. So let's check out one of these classrooms. So in here, people are learning HVAC and carpentry and all kinds of awesome, useful stuff. You know, here's all your work desks, planning out, educating stuff, learning circuits and how everything ties together and testing and all that kind of good stuff. But a hands-on, in real life, not in a book style application, which is great. I'm a big fan of learning by doing. All right, so they built this building, like I said, with tradespeople in mind, which is really cool. So they used like 3 different AC systems so that they can learn on different ones. They have, again, giant windows open to this huge AC room here, where they're telling me like they pump cold water through this in this version and it goes through everything, but it's just massive, right? And then they also have cool stuff like this where you have the side of the elevator shaft all open. It's just neat, all the mechanicals of the building are exposed for you to learn from, see, observe, all that kind of good stuff. So we are going to plumbing, my friends. So they got everything set up in here for you to learn how to plumb, y'all. Check it out. So you can teach you everything from PEX to normal plumbing to PVC. Everything in between out here, y'all. So while I was still upstairs, I wanted to show you guys this cool view of the HVAC room from up top. You can see it's huge, and they have all kinds of different HVAC systems down there for everybody to learn on. Alright guys, so they even have lineman training stuff out here. So if you ever want to get into that job, which is very well paying, they have awesome training where you can do it here underneath this big cover, but you're still 50 foot off the ground and you're exposed to temperature, wind, all that kind of stuff, just more safely and with instructors. So a really cool idea. Cool roofing station here where you can practice your chops and learn about, you know, doing shingles, splashing, all that kind of good stuff. Well, that's gonna do it for my day out here at the BeProBeProud event, y'all. Totally support the idea of this. Like, get out there, learn a skill, learn a trade. No one can ever take that away from you. They can be very lucrative. So I'll put the website right down here below, but tons of awesome opportunities. If you're thinking maybe a four-year college isn't the best fit for you, go do something like this. Check out their website, learn a skill, y'all. So you work for somebody else for 2-3 years and you can start your own thing. So once you have that skill down, nobody can take that away from you, and that is power, my friends. So get out there, get wrenching as always, y'all. Until the next time, have a good one.